What are y'all crazy cats doing? Playing with catnip? They love that catnip. What'd you just make that noise for, Marmy? Milo's over there like, what's going on here? Go on, go to the third one, Milo. You can fit right in there.
Stick your head in, I'll stick mine in too.
He just wants the catnip.
Oh, boy, here they all come.
Here they all come. They're all coming.
Oh,
Little fat
dear.
heifers.
They're just like little monkeys. Monkey see, monkey do.
Oh!
Mine, bitch, back off.
Back off, bitch. Hello, bitch.
Respect my thigh.
Respect my thought, Dad.
She wants to play with a catnip.
Look, all the cats are right here.
Milo's not even doing anything.
Just because he's scared of Bunny.
Mitty's just rubbing his head on it.
Oh, God, they're funny.
What are you doing, Mitty?
He's flirting. He's flirting with her.
He's flirting with the catnip.
Mm-hmm.
Marmy's about to stick her whole damn head down in it. Milo didn't get his side.
He's too scared right now.
She's like, bitch. I think catnip makes cats hallucinate or something.
It does. It's like weed to them.
Are you the cat psychiatrist?
Yep.
The psychologist?
They are funny.
Little crackheads. Ooh, I am in psychedelic kitty heaven.
Oh, here comes Big Boy. The whole gang's here.
Little fatty patties. My little heifers. Oh, they missed.
Well, Marmy, you have fun doing that. And we'll see you later. Bye-bye.